So back at the Dyson factory. And then this door was all the way across. Because we couldn't access this part. Yeah, so drone course. Come and join me at the table. This is the little thing I've just walked through. 9th of the 9th, 2022. On arrival at site, I saw that burglars had smashed their way into the gatehouse through the glass part of the back door.
That's not even connected.
No, it looks like a cable, doesn't it? Yeah, that's got a cable.
Yeah,
that one hasn't. So the smashed one hasn't got nothing. This one on right on camera. Can't be back at the Dyson factory. To get to the area we couldn't get before, they've added new cameras and it's completely trashed. But let's go and explore the place we didn't do before. There's camera just in line there.
This is where the camera was.
Yeah. It was standing right there, that blue camera.
Yeah, because we came down them steps.
Yeah, because we came down them steps. You got all the red container things in there, and we looked around there and it was stood here.
It was, yeah.
So unless that's the one that... And that would have been connected to this.
What's that lead?
Because this lead here, this lead would have been used to the camera before it went solar.
Yeah.
So that's where that blue camera was when we last came, before it got completely trashed, because we've just literally gone through the place. The place is completely destroyed. All the windows broke, everything. And they've added new cameras in, but around the other side. So we couldn't get through here, so we just climbed through the window. This section here is where one of the cameras were. And they're not there now. And that little access there was right next to where the security were. That was not accessible at all. And all the windows have been smashed there as well. So we're going to check this out. So up there on them steps is where we came in originally, up there where there's now cameras. And this is a bit we couldn't get in. But the camera's not here anymore, it's literally, this has just been left. And you got the access to at least that little building out front, right there. Yeah. Where security would have been. I don't think security here anymore, to be fair.
Nice kiln there.
Fucking hell. How deep?
Yeah, I ain't got the torch on me either. I didn't think it was needed.
I got my torch on me, but only a little torch.
Yeah.
And this wasn't open, was it?
No.
Because we was looking from up there.
No, we came down this bank in here, if you remember.
Yeah.
And that's where the camera was, right here.
Yeah, and all the cameras no longer there. All these are easy accessible now.
Yeah.
Which they weren't.
But it depends if there's another camera anywhere around this bit.
But there was a shutter on this bit, wasn't there?
That was closed last time.
Yeah. And then this door was all the way across. Because we couldn't access this part.
I'm just gonna... Let's have a look and see if there's any more.
That's like the workshop, weren't it? That one right in front of the fire
Yeah.
station.
That one there.
That was the fire station, weren't it?
Yeah.
Couldn't get in that one.
No, I mean now we can. Because we went across the corner of that building there, didn't we?
Yeah, to try and drop in. That's mad. Yeah, so drone course. I'm going to walk the kiln.
I was going to do that, but it looks a bit...
Well, it looks fine after these bit of wires at the front.
Yeah, I ain't got a torch on me, so...
Oh yeah.
I'll have a look on top. Yeah, I've got a torch for you.
You alright?
Yeah. Just can't see what I put.
What are these metal things? Would that have been for carts or something?
Yeah, they had like automatic carts that rolled through with whatever they were
Yeah.
doing it. Well, it was brick or something like that, I think.
Oh, that's a drop.
Yeah.
So, got to be a hole somewhere.
Yeah, well, I don't want to risk going along there because if you misjudge it.
So you want me to just do it then?
Well, I can't see where I'm going, can I? So I can't see where I'm putting my feet either.
So to you, I can meet you at the other end.
Well, I'm going to go back this way.
You're on the light first.
No, it's alright.
You sure? Right, so I've decided to take the risk and go across here. In this kiln. It's got like a 4 or 5 foot drop. I'm currently in the kiln. Now this is a big kiln. Look at all the black and the purple. Keep walking to the side so I don't fall. Don't know how strong that is because it's rusted. Nearly at the end. Near safe ground again. And I made it. I survived.
You survived the
I made it to the other end.
Shot of this guy.
A little setup. Wait for these to come. Come and join me at the table. Full setup.
Josh has got his little campsite here. Josh, yeah, campsite.
Come and join me at the seats. There's a fire there if you want to make a fire.
Drones up in here.
Yeah. I was just saying, like, hi to his chair. There,
Thanks for joining me.
there's a room.
What's our next hit?
I don't know. There's, I think it's a bit flooded in there, so I can't see properly in there.
This spins and it moves. This is the room
Yeah,
that leads to the front.
yeah.
Okay, I'm getting in here. I found the office. This is the office, what leads to the front.
How do you get in there without putting yourself? Climb over.
Just climbed over. It's not that difficult one. So this is where...
Yeah. This is where we tried. Yeah.
So where we are now is in where the security used to be. It was filled. Still got some of the items left, which you'll see in a minute. But this is the area that we came in, set the cameras off. Literally, this is the back end from it. Let's check it out. September 2016. What? This is the office.
Yeah, cool.
Fucking hell, where's all the wires going to?
That's the DVR.
Well, it's not working now. I don't think it's been used for a while, looking at it. Doesn't look like it's been used for a while, does it?
No, there's no power in that, so
That's in kilns.
yeah.
So this is the thing I've just walked through.
Yeah.
So yeah, this hasn't been used for a while, looking at it. I think it was used for so long and now it's not bothering.
Yeah. Which I think.
So just outside there, that's the camera set off on one of the other videos.
Yeah.
And now it's in here.
Which says there's no power cable to it.
Yeah. Old VHS.
Brush. Oh, shoe polishing there.
Incident logs. So they're obviously not looking after it then.
No.
9th of the 9th, 2022. On arrival at site, I saw that burglars had smashed their way into the gatehouse through the glass part of the back door. Leading from the factory, they'd been in drawers and stole the site keys. They'd been in fridge and stole food. They broke into the gas house by the top gate and forced out the window with the wooden lats. They'd been in one of the derelict units near the top gate and forced open 2 fire doors, informed control straight away. Police reference number.
Ooh.
No, that is literally the only one.
Demolition men cut off water supply to officers so we cannot get drinking water from the kitchen.
But what this, if you look at this, all this is saying 2022 is when they had security in here. They haven't had security in here since 2022.
Patrol logbook.
Have they?
No.
They haven't had security in here since 2022. Except for the cameras, that's the only thing they've had.
Oh, here, hang on a sec. We're getting a bit further here. 23.
But there have been no incidents in 2023. Because it would be in here.
Yeah.
So what did it go up to? January 2023.
Last report in this one was 4th of the 8th, 22.
Last one in this one was 22nd of the 1st, 23. The last one there was here.
Yeah.
So they haven't been here since 2023, since January 2023. Looking at that. And all this was in perfect condition. Obviously the windows have been broken through, but looking at the security incident report and the patrol reports, the last time they'd actually been on site, security, was at the start of 2023. Since then it's just the cameras that are all round, and that's about it.
That's not one.
So yeah guys, at the moment I'm going to put it there next to the batteries room door. I'm going to walk around in the main factory area, get some...
There's a TV, that would have been connected to the DVR in there.
With cameras, see if we can get every camera.
That's gone.
So we'll see the big guys.
Right, so we're heading back out.
And what we're going to do now is...
Heading back out from this place. But what we're doing beforehand is going to disturb all the cameras as we leave.
You are being recorded. Nothing.
See it should be on camera in 3, 2, 1. We're on camera now. Not even gone on.
Yeah.
I don't know about this one.
Okay,
That one's damaged.
Yeah,
Yeah, that wasn't like that, was it? That
is.
wasn't like that. when we last came.
So I wonder what they're putting in it. That was strange, that.
Well, that camera didn't go off.
Eh?
That camera didn't go off.
No, and that one's looking straight down over there. Oh, is that a camera in the middle?
Yeah, that's a camera that's been pushed straight down by the looks of it. Unless it's this.
But you got two. You got one pointing in that direction, one pointing in this direction.
Yeah, and you got that middle one. Which that middle one. Yeah, it is. That middle one is a camera that's been face down.
Yeah, could be.
But no, that camera, what you saw around there, the one has been pushed down, the middle one.
Yeah. I definitely can get on that with it. That's not even connected.
Unless it's wireless.
Yeah, but it's no.
They're not even going off. So we've been avoiding cameras for the whole time and not one has gone off.
This is hilarious. You notice them cables should be from the top,
Yeah.
should be connected to the camera.
Like that one, it looks like it connected, the little black wire in from the side.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, that looks like a big black cable there, unless it's just
Oh, yeah.
wrapped round.
Uh-huh.
No, it looks like a cable, doesn't it? Yeah, that's got a cable.
Yeah,
That one hasn't. So the smashed one hasn't got nothing. This one we're on camera. And it's not doing shit.
fucking crap.
So we won't even mess with the cameras. Half of them ain't even connected to the solar panel.
Yeah,
And that one, what is connected, isn't even going off.
Camera up there. There's a nice football.
So I hope you enjoyed this updated video of the Dyson factory. Completely destroyed compared to last time.
Yeah, that's disappointing.
And see you in the next one.